I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to add multiple audio files to Audacity. Step 1. Open the audio file in Audacity that you want to add another file to. Step 2. Click File to open a menu, click Import to view a submenu, and then click Audio. A browser window opens where you can select the audio file you want to add. Step 3. Navigate to the location of the audio file you want to add, click to select that file, and then click Open. That audio file will be opened on a separate track. If things look a little scrunched up, all you need to do is click View to open a menu, then click Zoom, and then click Zoom Normal. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.